Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a Sezzle Virtual Card at Walmart. Whether you want to use your Sezzle Virtual Card in store or on the Walmart website, follow along as I guide you through the steps. Since I'm in the UK, I can't physically show you the process, but I've created this quick guide to help you out. Download the Sezzle app on your smartphone and register for an account and log in. If you haven't done this yet, apply for the Sezzle Virtual Card within the app. You might need to provide some information and go through a quick approval process, but once accepted, you'll want to add the Sezzle Virtual Card to your mobile wallet. This could be your Apple Pay wallet if you have an iPhone, or a Google Pay or Samsung Pay, depending on your device. Just follow the instructions provided by Sezzle to add the card to your mobile wallet. Typically, this involves selecting the virtual card in the Sezzle app and choosing the option to add it to your preferred wallet. Once that's done, you're ready to use it in store. If you're shopping at Walmart store, open your mobile wallet at checkout and select the Sezzle Virtual Card. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction using the contactless payment. If you're shopping online at Walmart website, go to the checkout page and select the option to pay with a credit or debit card and enter your details for your Sezzle Virtual Card. This includes your card number, expiration date, security code on the back, and any other requested information. Once the transaction is complete, you'll receive a confirmation from both Walmart and Sezzle. Sezzle will handle the payment in installments according to the plan you selected when signing up for the virtual card. A few important notes. First, ensure your Sezzle virtual card is activated and ready to use. Be aware of any spending limits on your card to avoid exceeding them. Remember, using Sezzle means you'll be paying for your purchase in installments, so manage your budget accordingly. By following these steps, you can successfully use your Sezzle Virtual Card for purchases at Walmart, both in-store and online. So that's it. That's how to use your Sezzle Virtual Card at Walmart.